Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use a peek on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom right corner, we have these spotlights where you can check out some videos that people have posted. We have stories, we have your camera, and in the bottom left corner, we have your locations and your chats on Snapchat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use a peek on Snapchat. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, you need to, of course, firstly go and open Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji. After you have opened Snapchat and tapped your Bitmoji, tap on Snapchat Plus or Settings gear icon at the top right corner. After that, when you tap it there, tap on Features. And now, after you have, of course, tapped on Features, you need to go and toggle on a peek. You can now see which friends are trying to be stealthy. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.